In this demo, we'll cover how to create and publish an interactive presentation that can be used as a guided selling tool by a marketer, a sales representative, or a prospective customer. We'll be building this tool from the media assets and information provided by WholeLogic on their product website. Start by logging in and clicking the Create button. From the drop-down menu, select New Presentation. The Create New Presentation window appears. Enter the name for your new presentation. You can also add a description to provide a summary of your presentation, though this is optional. Click the Advanced Access settings to define the accessibility of your presentation. By default, everyone can enter and public are selected. Click Create and the presentation workspace will open. From the top menu, you can preview, publish, and share your presentation. You can also adjust the presentation settings from the drop-down menu. Click the General button from the drop-down menu to change the name of your presentation. You can add tags so that your presentation is more searchable and accessible, or you can modify the join and visibility settings. Click the Member button from the drop-down menu to see all of the content creators who have access to this presentation and change their permission settings. Since we have not shared this presentation, you will not see any additional users, but after you've invited others, they will appear here. Click the Appearance button from the drop-down menu to modify the branding or player settings. Here you can also assign a Google Analytics ID. We'll explain the value of Google Analytics in a later demonstration. The Add Category button is below the General Presentation buttons. Generally, a presentation will include a series of categories with multiple pages. Another way to think of a category is as a topic with subtopics represented by the associated pages. Double-click to change the name of a category, or you can select the Category Settings button and change the name. From the Category Settings menu, you can also add a thumbnail image that will appear in the output as a way to visually identify a given category. Click the New Page button to create your first page. The editor appears and you can begin creating your page.